while other girls attend their favorite cocktail bar, sipping dry martinis, munching caviar.
I hope he's kidding.
There's a girl who's really putting them to shame, and Rosie is her name. All the day long, whether rain or shine, she's a part of the assembly line. She's making history, working for victory. Rosie the Riveter keeps a sharp lookout for sabotage. Sitting up there on the fuselage, that little frail can do more than a male can do. Rosie the Riveter. Rosie's got a boyfriend, Charlie. Charlie, he's a Marine. Rosie is protecting Charlie, working overtime on the riveting machine. When they gave her a production E, she was as proud as a girl could be. There's something true about red, white, and blue about Rosie the Riveter.
All the day long, whether rain or shine, she's a part of the assembly line. She's never twittery, nervous or jittery. Rosie the Riveter. She and the aeroplanes get along great. A perfect 36 and a P-38. She keeps the gang around. They love to hang around. Rosie the Riveter. Rosie's got a lot of admirers, but that's as far as it goes. People say that most of the welders are carrying torches just for Rose. Her main ambition, I've heard it said, is to drop a hot rivet on Hitler's head. There's something true about red, white, and blue about Rosie the Riveter.